Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this beautiful lace nursing bra. For this bra project, I will use this black mesh and as well blue lace with golden details. This is very beautiful lace. This you can find also on my Etsy shop. And here are black nursing bra hooks. These are specifically made for nursing bras. And hooks and eyes. Rings and sliders in silver color. The size is 1.2 centimeters. I'm using two types of elastic. One is this 1.2 centimeter, other is 1 centimeter. The smaller one is easy and the bigger one is a bit harder. I'm really in love with this blue lace. I found this in one store and quickly fell in love with this. So I want to try in this nursing bra. So at first I'm folding in half and I just pin on the pattern piece. So what pattern I'm using? I'm using really long time I bought this pattern, so I don't really remember from which exactly store, but it was something on Etsy. And this pattern had many sizes, and in this video I'm sewing the smallest excess size. So this is not my pattern. I just want to show you how I'm making these nursing bras. For the lining, I'm using this black mesh. This I also bought in one local store. Actually, this pattern is really easy to cut. There's only this one triangle piece, and you need to cut 4 pieces of each. Here right sides are facing each other and between is little piece of elastic. And sew them together with regular straight stitch. Here I pinned together on the seam, and I will be doing zigzag stitch right on the seam so it doesn't move around. And now around the edge, the same thing. I have already pre-cut sculpted edge. This is for the band, and it's just straight edge. And in the middle, I start to pin on these triangle pieces. And here goes zigzag stitch just to hold in place. And now goes 1 centimeter wide elastic. This I just put on, start sewing, and little bit pull to my side. And now fold it and do again zigzag stitch from right side. And now we need extra straps for this nursing bra. This is gonna go on the both sides of the breast. And will attach to the main strap. These are soft elastics, 1 centimeter wide, and this small piece is 1.2. This is the bigger one, and it's a bit harder, so it matches the sliders and rings. These are meant for 1.2 centimeter wide elastics. So the strap and this small piece is in 1.2, the bigger strap. But of course you can use smaller or whatever you have. So yes, there is some work around all the straps. It takes a little bit of time and practice, but at the end we have here nice nursing bra, lightweight, soft. Yes, this is most suitable for smaller breast. For the heavier, maybe not so well. So you can make similar at home from your own lace. If you like this lace, this blue lace with golden floral pattern, you can find them in my Etsy store. I hope you enjoy watching. I hope you could see some tips and tricks for your own sewing, and see you on next video.